This is my dog Pixie. Hello again. I'm Elizabeth, and this is my dog Pixie. She's a Tibby, a Tibetan Spaniel, and she's so cute. Yeah, she is. Say hello, Pixie. Woo-woo. So yeah, she's so cute. I love her. Yes, and oh, by the way, I'm wearing purple because of Camp Jupiter. So yeah, um, yeah. So I'm just excited, and yeah, I can't wait to read the book. And also, um, there's two people that's on YouTube that I absolutely love that I just subscribe to their channels, and that would be be Tanya Hennessy and Christian Hole, and their YouTube channels are very funny. They're Australians, so anybody who's not Australian and haven't heard of them, well, you will. So yeah, say bye bye, Pixie. Yeah, she's so cute. Yeah, we love her. All right, bye.